Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to use the copyright check tool in CapCut PC. So if you want to check your video, if it has a copyright, then you're onto the right guide. So as you can see, the first thing that we need to do is to open CapCut first. Now right after, just go ahead and import the video that you want to use. And if you have a project already, just simply open that one. Now we'll use this certain video that I have in here. So let's just make sure that this video has an audio and it should reach up until a minute. So let's copy this one until it reach a minute. Now it should look something like this, and let's go ahead, merge all this video. So as you can see, it has reached a minute already. And for us to go ahead and run the copyright check, we're gonna head here under the audio. So just click here onto the upper left corner of the screen, and you should be able to find it in here under that one, the copyright check. So this will check your video for potential copyright issues, unused non-commercial sounds, posting on TikTok. So just simply click on to check in here. And then as you can see, it will run the copyright check. We'll just have to wait for this one. Now, right after you've done the copyright check, you should be able to see the message in here if it will be muted or not. So onto the specific video, it is shown in here that a copyright issue of the video sound was detected. So you need to replace the video sound, but you can still post this video, but it will be muted. So you can see also the details for that one, and you could just change the sound to resolve this issue. You could do a recheck if you want to check it again, and then you'll just have to wait for this one to be finished. So that is just basically how you use the copyright check tool in CapCut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.